In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make journal entries in Odoo. We'll go through the full process of creating and posting a manual journal entry inside the accounting app, and I'll explain what each field is for, so the workflow feels simple and clear. Start by opening the accounting app from your Odoo dashboard. Once you're inside, go to Journal Entries. This is the area where you can review existing entries and create new ones manually when needed. To begin a new entry, click New. Odoo will open a blank journal entry form where you can enter the details of the transaction. If needed, type a reference in the reference field. This is helpful for identifying the entry later, especially if you want to link it to an invoice number, internal note, or another document. While this field may be optional, using a clear reference can make reporting and future audits much easier. Next, set the accounting date. This date determines the accounting period the entry belongs to, so it's important to choose it carefully. Make sure it matches the period in which the transaction should be recognized. After that, select the appropriate journal. In many cases, the default option may appear as miscellaneous operations, which is commonly used for manual journal entries. Still, always confirm that the journal is correct for the type of transaction you're recording. Now move down to the Journal Items section and click Add a line. On the first line, choose the account you want to affect. If the transaction is related to a specific contact, select a partner where applicable. Then enter a label or short description so the purpose of the line is easy to understand. Next, enter the amount in either the debit or the credit column, depending on the transaction you're recording. Be sure to place the amount on the correct side, since this is what determines how the account is impacted. Then, click Add a line again to create the balancing entry. For this second line, select the corresponding account and enter the same amount in the opposite column. So if the first line was entered as a debit, this second line should be entered as a credit, and vice versa. Before finalizing anything, take a moment to verify that the total debit and total credit amounts are equal. A journal entry must be balanced before it can be posted, and checking this now helps prevent errors in your books. Once everything looks correct, click Post in the top left corner to finalize the journal entry. At that point, the entry is officially recorded in Odoo. And that's how to make journal entries in Odoo.